How to enable disappearing messages on Messenger. So if you want to enable disappearing messages on Messenger, then first open up your Messenger application. Once you open up your Messenger, now you just need to simply go with a chat, any chat that you are comfortable with. So I'll be choosing a chat. Once you've chosen, now go with the upper right, which has that info option. Now under info, you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of disappearing messages. So if you don't find the disappearing messages on, then it means that you have not verified to the end-to-end encryption and you don't have that end-to-end encryption on that chat. So if you've enabled that, then you will have the disappearing messages option. So simply tap on disappearing messages, and here you need to choose 24 hours. Once you choose 24 hours, now if you send any message on Messenger, then it will be disappeared after 24 hours. And if someone takes a screenshot or screen recording, a notification will appear in the chat. Messages may disappear 24 hours after they've seen for people on certain older versions of Messenger. So that's how you can enable the disappearing messages on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.